Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the nested for loop in C language. So let us start. I first share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better way. And here turbo C++ I just double click and then take some time and is now is open. Just alter F file menu open and taking new file, and here that concept is nested for loop. So like nested if else. So one if else taking another if else. So that is called nested if else. So here nested for loop, and you can take directly an example. So take header file and then you can say that console and conio, that is for header file. And now wait main, between one section you can provide one blank, and it is a habit and also tab key, so your pattern is perfect to your programming. And just save this program first, so that we can say that nested so for yes, so that is a uh, size is long, so we can give maximum 8 character to our file name. So we can here nest, yes, so that is a yes, now is 8 and then dot c, so nest for not ed. And here we can directly take not like we can take only two I and a variable. Okay, and clear the screen. Let us check how it's possible. So take directly for loop, not taking any scan variable. So I equal to 1 we have to initialize, that is, and then I less than equal to 5, that is static, and I plus plus, so that is increment, and then opening brace of that for loop, and now inner for loop is started. And then we have to take j, and then we can give 1, and then j less than equal to I we have to give, and then j plus plus. And here there is no give the opening closing brace of inner for loop, because there is only one statement in inner for loop. So here we can print just first we can print the I. Okay, and then here closing brace, and here get ch, so that is a nested for loop. So and also here uh, in out after the inner loop, that outer loops, that all that for loop, and that statement is an inner statement. So after that, that statement I write here, not write to here. You can like I not write here because that statement is outer for loop. So that outer for loop you can directly take here. So yes, that we can provide the slash and new line. Okay, so now save and let us look what is our output. So we can trace that after. Yes, so that is a triangle program. So 1 2 2 3 3. Okay, that is a triangle, and that is a possible to the for loop, nested for loop. So that is a nested for loop. So how it possible? Let us take how iteration, that is table, and we can take first watch window. So alter W, and here is a watch. So how many time inner loop and how many time outer loop is a repetition. Alter W and output. So our triangle, that the shape is a triangle. So that is called triangle. And now I just take in watch window first I and then 2 j. So there is no any scan variable, directly will give the static. So now that outer loop is a one time taking that all round, that inner loop take all first, that I j equal to 1, I j less than equal to I. So let us take what is a I press F7, so that is a in my all video I take alter R, that is a trace inform, we can say that trace line by line. And okay, so I F7, yes, that I initialize 1, yes, now condition is true, I less than 5. So that is first round of that outer loop, and that is known as inner loop. Now J initialize 1, and then condition is true because less than or equal to. So that print 1 only, and provide one slash n, that the outer statement, not inner statement. Slash n is a outer statement. So here new line, and that inner, that condition is false because j plus plus is 2. So less than equal to I, that out inner condition is false. Then next turn is a outer loop. So I plus plus. So I is 2, and then j initialize first because outer loop, that part initialize part execute only one time, and inner, that initialize part every time. That one iteration is complete. That is known as the iteration in C language. So now j initialize further one, not here 2 is last, but now is 1. So condition again true, and first print I is a now is 2. I is a now 2, not 1. So 2 is print, and then again less than or equal to, that condition is true again. Yes, now second time 2 is print, and then inner loop is false. That j is plus plus, so 3. So that condition is false, inner loop, and slash and provide. So new line taking, and now I plus plus, so that we can prove that outer loop initialize part only execute one time, but inner for loop is initialize part every time. That first time start the loop. That is a rules of for loop. So now j initialize 1, yes, and then we have to print here I. So let us 3 is print one time. Then I j plus plus, yes, condition is true. 3 again print because the I is there on 3. Then again, yes, that now taking inner for loop is false because j less than equal to I, but j is 4. So that condition is false, and slash n, yes, then I plus plus again, yes, now. So now j initialize once, and then I print 4, 4 times. So 1, yes, j plus plus 2, yes, 3, 4, and that up to 4. So that last time equal to, less than or equal to, so that print 4 times 4. So, and then slash and taking. Now I plus plus, so I is 5, and j initialize 1. So 5 print 5 times. So let us 1, yes, j plus plus 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. And then slash n, but now outer loop is false because I plus plus, so that we static 5. Here we can take n variable from user side. We can take our requirement to that triangle program. So that is a triangle. Okay, so that is a nested for loop, or you can say that triangle. Or let us take that is iteration. So that is a, we can say that iteration table dry run method in your C language. So here we can print the j. So what happened? Yes. So let us check. Yes, so 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is a second type of triangle. Okay, and also here I provide one blank here in percentage d, provide one blank. Let us check what happened. So that is one space in between. Okay, so if here I provide before the percentage d, so what happened? So that is also yes, and after, yes, let us check. So that is two pages there, so we can see very well, better way. Okay, so we can take only one blank. Okay, so and how we can control of this triangle, if here provide we can n, and taking here like we can scan the n variable. So let us check percentage, first give the message, enter number of number of rows. Okay, so number of row we have to print that triangle shape. Okay, and then percentage d, and then scan the n. So here we cannot static 5, here provide n, and here also no provide, yes, that I is there, so only one in outer loop. Yes, so here I previously give first I and then j. So let us take what happened. So that control is our command, like we can take 3 of that 1 to 1 1 2 2 3 3 up to 3. Then we can give like 5. So that again same 1 1 1 2 2 3 3, that print, and we can already dry run. And now I take 7. So what happened? Yes, there is 7. Let now take 10. So what happened? Yes, up to 10. And now here I change the I. So what happened? Yes, so that is same. Yes, 5 1 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. Yes, now also run again. I give 10. So that up to 10. So like horizontal 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 or 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So that is a triangle, we can say that. Okay, so that is a nested for loop. Okay, and also we can here, I just provide here like comment line, and can check the here I assign like 65 or capital A, and here we can give like up to 70. Okay, and here I also provide the 65, and here SIS no, and here we can change the percentage C. So what happened? Yes, now let us. So that is ABCD. Yes. So that is triangle of ABCD. Yes, that's also possible. And also we can change like here first previously I is there. We can starting to I. So happen. Yes. Let us also check. So A, B, B, C, 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 D, D, D. Yes. So our alphabet, that is triangle. So we cannot change our data type, just change our formatting symbol and assign to the capital S 65. So that is now I think you can, yes, and if you small then assign to 97. Yes, 90 is some symbolic is there, and here we can take like give up to 97, then we can take 5 times, so that 100. Yes, so that is a 5. Yes, and here also assign to 97 197, and let us check what happened. Yes. small a small a b c f up to f, so we can provide up to 5. And now we can print again J here. So what happened? Yes, so that is also checked. Yes, ABB, AB, ABC, ABCD. Yes. So that is a triangle. We can, up to my upcoming video lecture, we can start the series programming, then triangle, pyramid. So I hope you can understand. And again, I uh, remove this comment line and provide here again. First I equal to 1, then I less than n. Yes, and then j equal to I. Yes, and if you here, yes, now one testing is remaining. I give first here like I, and then here we can percentage d, and then here first we have to try I. Okay, and here we can provide like 1. So what happened? Not initialize like here we can start 1 and provide the here end. So that is a nesting. Let us check what happens. So that is a also check. Okay, we can give only 3. So that is a like 1 1 3 3 2 2. Okay, so also possibility. And again I give here I is a better, because that is not some shape like pattern is there. Okay, so now so many experiment with this two nested or for loop, nested for loop. And again we can print here j, and here we can initialize directly 1. So what happened? Yes, now that also one testing. Yes, we can give the 5, so that also print not any shape. Okay, so that is a print as usual. So here we can provide like I condition we have to change, but here j initialize not I but directly once. So what happened? That is also we can testing. Yes, let us check I 5. So that is a same 1 1 2 1 2 3. Yes, so that is also print. So here we can initialize as a I, that is a better. So all we can testing after, we can take our original condition. So yes, and we can print now j. Yes, so 5. Yes, so that is only 1 5, because we can here provide the less than or equal to I. So here we can provide the end. So that now is print perfect. Let us check. Yes, so that is a reverse order. Okay, so that is a shape is change. So that is also a possibility. Reverse order, we have to print. So you can one get idea, you can print so many triangle and pyramid shape. Okay, so here also you can take outer for loop, like I here initialize I last and I assign equal to n, and here condition chain up to n. So and I minus minus, not plus plus. Okay, and here we can assign to I, and here we can also provide up to 1 and j minus minus. Yes, so first we print the I, then j. So many experiments reverse order in like plus plus increment, now minus minus we have to use. So what happens? Yes, now that is also we can testing. So let us take 1 5. Yes, so 5 5 4 4 up to 1. So that is reverse order. Shape is changed triangle, but that starting the n. Okay, and now we can give here j. So what happened? Yes, let us check. So many possibilities. Yes, so 5 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 and 2 1 and last one. And now we can provide here before the blank what happened. Yes, that is also testing point, very interesting. So there is one pace provide. Okay, so many testing we have to in this nested for loop. So wait for my upcoming video lecture, and now we can start the series triangle and pattern programming in C language. That is very interesting. So when we can middle of the screen, like here our output is there. So middle of the screen we can triangle and then convert in the pyramid. So that is also possibility, but I have not taken this session, but that session is so long. So we can testing so many here triangle, but now we can print also pyramid, and middle of the screen, that is we can count our row and column in our screen, that mono screen. Okay, so I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So that is a nested for loop. So inner for loop taking outer and inner, there is two, that is a outer for loop and that one is a inner for loop. Outer for loop initialize part only one time execute, but inner for loop time taking directly every time is initialize part execute. So now I can close this program and write down your C programming books. So I hope you can understand what is nested for loop. Now in close this all this or and quit. So subscribe my channel or Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update, and write your comments in comment section or any query related C programming difficulty. So you can write in comment section. I give the answer. Also call me and subscribe my channel. Also some student press bell icon. Bell icon you can press. So whenever I upload my video, then you can get one notification. So thanks for your watching, sharing and subscribing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.